चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन के बटन को ज़रूर दबाएं। और वक्त ज़ाया किए बिना हम अपनी वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। फाइनेंशियल पिगी, the best crypto application. Creating Fippy app to revolutionize the way of modern savings with automated purchases in accordance with crypto indices. Not everyone needs to know about cryptocurrencies, but everyone has heard that you can make money on them. Fippy app is the answer to the need of every average person who wants to save in a crypto. Fippy app is an application that gives everyone to cryptocurrency market on a trade. We believe that the cryptocurrency market is for everyone. Imagine that you register, get the option to choose one of the Fippy index, add a payment method, and it's ready. Only 3 steps separate you from entering the world of modern savings. Simplicity is our way to gain your sympathy and trust. Why Fippy app? We provide our users with the answers for the 3 most common questions in the cryptos world. What cryptocurrency should I buy? Those that the currently placed on one of the 3 Fippy indexes in long term. When market grows by 130%, the user's portfolio grows by 130%. Passive way of investing like ETF on regular financial market. Is it good movement for shopping crypto? Every moment to begin purchase with the DCA system is right. You will buy cryptocurrencies that are listed in the Fippy indexes. How to buy crypto? By means of Fippy app. The 3 pillars of Fippy app. Fippy app is an automated regular saving tool. We believe that you have worked hard for your savings. That's why we mitigate the risk. Dollar cost averaging. If you choose to save 400 per month, Fippy app will make weekly purchases of $100 week. Wow! Fippy indexed by BITA GmbH. Fippy Den index, Fippy 30 index, Fippy Next 20 index by BITA. Balancing. Automated following the market, passive automatic portfolio management. We believe in crypto. We focus on the diversification of savings. In long term, when market grows by 130%, your portfolio grows by 130%. ETF like dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging DCA is an investment strategy in which an investor divides up the total amount to be invested across periodic purchases of a target asset in an effort to reduce the impact of volatility volatility on the overall purchase. The purchases occur regardless of the asset's price and at regular intervals. Example: Max and Albert conclude that they both want to move some of their savings flat to the world of cryptocurrencies. Let's use simplest examples BTC. Max buys BTC in one moment without applying DCA. On 9th May 2021, Max wanted to move some of these savings kept in flat to the cryptocurrencies market. To do this, he bought BTC for the equivalent of 5,000. 5.000 USD with the exchange rate of 58.771 USD. How many BTC did Max buy without applying DCA? 0.08508 BTC. Albert spreads BTC purchase in time applying DCA. On 9th May 2021, the Max wants to move off these savings flat to the cryptocurrencies market. He wants to allocate 5,000 USD in order to average the purchase price. He spreads the BTC purchase process over 6 months, 27 weeks. The completion of the BTC purchase process on 11th July 2021 so that he buys the crypto asset for 185 USD every week. How many BTC did Albert buy applying the DCA system? 0.116055 BTC. Albert bought BTC for about 5.000 USD with the average exchange rate of 43.039 USD for 1 BTC. Result: on 9th May, the exchange rate was equal to 61.661 USD for 1 BTC. Thus, the value of Max savings increased by about 5%, while the value of Albert's savings increased by over 43%. Annual return dollar cost averaging $50 a week. FIPE indexed by BITA GmbH. FIPE 10 index, FIPE 13 index, FIPE next 20 index. The creation of the core of our app that is FIPE Crypto Index will be in the hands of a professional, experienced and independent entity with an excellent reputation in the financial world, BITA GmbH.